Ever wondered how you can build an impressive fence without spending a fortune? If you've been shocked by the high quotes from traditional fencing companies, you're not alone. But what if I told you there are creative and affordable alternatives that could save you a lot of money while adding a unique touch to your garden or farm? In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best cheap fence ideas that will not only stretch your budget, but also make your outdoor space stand out. Stick around until the end, and we'll reveal a special bonus idea that could be the perfect fit for your next DIY project. Let's dive into these innovative, low-cost fencing solutions and get inspired. Now that we've explored some creative ways to save on fencing, let's dive into our first brilliant idea, the rustic log fence. Imagine transforming those leftover wood offcuts into a beautiful, sturdy fence that not only stands the test of time, but also adds a touch of classic charm to your space. By stacking logs horizontally, you'll craft a fence that's both durable and eco-friendly, giving your garden or farm a warm countryside feel. This is more than just a cost-effective solution. It's an opportunity to create something unique and lasting with materials you might otherwise discard. Let's see how this rustic fence could be the perfect addition to your outdoor haven. Let's move on to something equally enchanting, the woven branch fence. Picture this, taking those stray branches and twigs that might be cluttering your yard and weaving them into a fence that's both stunning and textured. This method not only makes use of materials you already have, but also introduces a natural, rustic charm to your property. It's a beautifully simple and cost-effective way to enhance your outdoor space, blending seamlessly with nature while keeping expenses to a minimum. Just as with the rustic log fence, this idea offers a unique, eco-friendly solution that transforms everyday materials into something truly special. Continuing our journey through creative fencing ideas, let's explore a project that's perfect for those who love a bit of DIY magic, the bottle fence. Imagine turning old glass or plastic bottles into a vibrant, eye-catching fence that not only breathes new life into your recycled materials, but also adds a splash of color and personality to your garden. This innovative approach not only helps the environment, but also serves as a stunning, one-of-a-kind statement piece that sets your outdoor space apart. Building on the natural charm of our previous woven branch fence, the bottle fence introduces a playful and artistic twist to your fencing project, blending functionality with flair. Now, if you're in the mood for a fencing idea with a touch more character and whimsy, let's dive into the wiggly branch wood fence. Imagine using branches of different sizes and shapes to craft a fence that exudes a playful, natural charm. This approach not only makes the most of materials you might already have lying around, but also infuses your space with an artistic flair. Building on the vibrant, recycled touch of the bottle fence, the wiggly branch wood fence offers a unique way to create an eye-catching barrier that celebrates the natural world while showcasing your creative side. Ready for a fencing option that combines elegance and efficiency? Let's take a closer look at the bamboo pole fence. Far from being limited to tropical climates, bamboo offers an affordable and visually stunning solution for your fencing needs. Imagine lush green bamboo, quickly growing and effortlessly assembled into a fence that adds a sleek, modern touch to your outdoor space. Following the creative charm of our wiggly branch wood fence, the bamboo pole fence brings a fresh, stylish approach that's both cost-effective and eco-friendly. It's an ideal choice for those looking to enhance their garden or yard with a natural, sophisticated flair. Let's shift gears and explore a fencing style that brings a touch of history to your landscape, the Gettysburg-style fence. Inspired by the rugged fencing used in the Gettysburg area during the U.S. Civil War, this design not only offers practical functionality, but also infuses your outdoor space with a sense of historical significance. Just as our bamboo pole fence added modern elegance, the Gettysburg-style fence provides a nostalgic, timeless charm that connects you to the past while enhancing your property's character. This unique approach is perfect for those who appreciate both history and functionality in their garden design. Looking to add a splash of fun and whimsy to your fencing project? Let's dive into the strung-up bottle fence. Picture this, hanging bottles in a vibrant row to create a barrier that's as playful as it is practical. Building on the historical elegance of the Gettysburg-style fence, this idea takes a more lighthearted approach, transforming recycled bottles into a unique and eye-catching feature for your garden. Not only does this method give new life to old materials, but it also brings a delightful and creative twist to your outdoor space, perfect for those who love to mix functionality with a touch of fun. As we move from playful and historical fencing ideas, let's consider a practical and adaptable option, the mesh fence. Imagine a fencing solution that's not only straightforward but also incredibly versatile. The mesh fence is easy to install and comes in a variety of heights and sizes, making it a perfect fit for any need, whether it's for security or aesthetic appeal. Following the creative charm of the strung-up bottle fence, the mesh fence offers a no-fuss approach that combines reliability with functionality. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a balance between practicality and style in their fencing project. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's explore the random material fence, a fencing idea that turns leftovers into something extraordinary. Imagine using whatever materials you have on hand, whether it's discarded branches, old mesh, or stray sticks, to craft a fence that reflects your unique style and resourcefulness. Building on the practicality of the mesh fence, this approach invites you to think outside the box and personalize your project. It's an opportunity to create a one-of-a-kind barrier that not only serves a purpose, but also showcases your ingenuity and personal flair. To wrap up our fencing journey, let's delve into the trellis fence, a dream come true for garden enthusiasts. Imagine a fence that not only serves as a practical barrier, but also doubles as a lush canvas for climbing plants and flowers. This option seamlessly blends functionality with beauty, allowing you to transform your outdoor space into a vibrant and green oasis. Following the inventive spirit of the random material fence, the trellis fence offers an elegant and flourishing addition to your garden, perfect for those who want to enhance their space with both charm and natural beauty. Which of these innovative and budget-friendly fence ideas did you find most intriguing? We're eager to hear about any other creative fencing solutions you might have in mind, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hungry for more tips and tricks on affordable fencing options, don't forget to check out our detailed article linked in the description. If you enjoyed our journey through these unique fencing ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might find it useful. And remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy fencing!